How many valuable ChatGPT conversations have you already lost? Ideas, research, business plans, code snippets. They can disappear faster than you think. That's why I export my ChatGPT conversations to Notion. With one click, I can save an entire conversation. And when I only need the important parts, Customize Export lets me select exactly what I want to keep. Everything is organized, searchable, and ready whenever I need it. Don't leave your knowledge trapped inside AI platforms. Export, backup, own your AI knowledge.